Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying basics you already know, but do them now. Confirm cables, speaker power, and headset seating. Next, open Windows Sound Settings and pick the device you must fix as the default. This prevents audio routing errors. Once done, check the volume, mixer, and app-specific levels so the system isn't silencing the app you care about. Make sure you have administrator access, and note your device model and OS version before proceeding to driver and configuration steps. You should update drivers next. Open Device Manager, uninstall the audio adapter, then reinstall the latest driver from the vendor. This clears corrupt driver states and ensures proper codecs. Once drivers are fresh, disable audio enhancements because they often introduce glitches. Set the output sample rate to 44, 100 Hz or 48, 000 Hz for compatibility. Also, test alternate USB ports or analog jacks and plug a different speaker or headset to determine if this is a hardware fault versus a software configuration issue. Finish by restarting the Windows audio services to clear lingering process locks. This often restores sound without a full reboot. Then run the built-in troubleshooter, which automates several common fixes and flags conflicting applications like VoIP clients or digital audio workstations that grab exclusive access. If you still have no sound, boot into safe mode or use a live USB Linux environment to see if audio works outside your OS. If it does, the problem is software. If not, the issue is likely hardware and needs replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.